In this tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can sync contacts that you have in Google Sheets directly into Makesbridge to execute marketing automation. So from the main page, I click Connect Apps, and I'm going to go into Google. So the first thing I'm going to do, if I've not set up my Google account yet, is I'm going to click Setup and click Add Account. And then I'm going to accept the credentials. And that's going to make the connections to make sure everything's okay. So now I'm done with that. Now it's time to set up my import. Now I've already set up an import for demonstration purposes, but I'm going to walk you through how it was all done. The first thing I did is I had set up a dedicated list for these people that I'm going to be importing from Google. So I'm going to run the search on Google, and you'll see I called the list delivery issues. Now I'm going to click Next. Then I can select the spreadsheet. So we had one called List Building, as you recall, and then there was that specific sheet, that specific tab of delivery issues. And then I did my field mapping. So you'll see that we got the first row being shown here, and that's going to help me with my mapping. So we see email, company, first name. That was in the first row, the field, and then in the second row, that's where we actually had the contact information. So then all we need to do is just select the fields to do our mapping. Now I didn't choose geography, or I'm not going to bring it in because I'm not going to need that in the import. That's more important for just the researchers. And I don't need to know who's entered the data either. But what I do want to know is what will be the assigned sales rep that we're going to do, because we're going to use their signatures to personalize the message to go out. So once I've got my mapping set up, I just click Next, and then I'm going to set my recurring import. So we're going to say that we're going to do this every day of the week, business day, and we'll do it at 1 o'clock p.m. And then I just click Save. So then back on our sync screen where we see all of our imports, you see Google Drive delivery issues. That was the name of the import that we made, and it shows when my next import is going to occur. And that concludes our video on how to set up recurring syncs between Makesbridge and Google Sheets.